What's up, chat? Let me know if you hear me. Beautiful. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I usually trade Asia, but let's see if we can get something out of it. Maybe a daily flip. Mark this up. So daily closed bear. Oh, I haven't touched trading view in a long time, a couple of months. All right, daily closed bear. 4 hour. Might be looking at a daily flip here just to fill the wick. 4 hours pulling back. Okay. This is star fruit for anybody that doesn't know. This is delicious. We just picked this off a neighbor's yard. Don't tell nobody. FBI, open up. Wow, that was delicious. There we go, front. I was just pulling up to the crib, and neighbor has a big ass star fruit tree. I was like, you know what? There's like 100 of them. Just probably just fell yesterday. Grabbed a few. All right, so we're gonna be looking for sells, and we're looking at only gold, no GJ, only gold. And we're gonna look for, hold on, let me see if I can get some people up in the trading channel. If you guys want to speak, hop onto but just keep us civil. Um, Hop onto the Discord trading voice channel. Hopefully you guys will hear me and I'll hear you. Um, I just don't know if YouTube will hear whoever's speaking on the Discord channel. But anyway, let's go. Uh, We're going to be looking for cells below here where I'm marking up a zone at 1761.15, or we're going to be looking at a trade or cells below here once we respect this area right here. If we respect this area at 1766.85, we're going to look for a candle to close above here and then back in range to come back down. Wish I had zoom annotations. I gotta figure this out, how to get the zoom annotations on here. Oh, eventually we'll do it. Just don't stream often enough to actually give this some thought. Hey, yo, Wix, Martin, what goes on? Hi, Rye. What's the word? What's the deal? This is an extremely hard thing to be doing in the evening. I got cartoons and I got a 3 and a 4 year old staring me down right now. All right, Oreo's out the office. You can Starfruit. No, enjoy. So yeah, let's just wait. Most likely this is gonna be a 9 a.m. trade because I'm looking to close bearish somewhere in this area at under 1766.85, 86. If we close bearish somewhere below there on the hourly or on the 30, it's gonna be perfect. So if the next candle, let's say we have this candle, it's 8 o'clock right now. So let's see if we can get this 30. Oh, the 30 looks a little different. So yeah, let's do this like that. Yep. So if we can get around 8:30 or 9 a.m. a closure here, a bearish closure here at 1768. And on the hourly, it's a little lower, but on the 30, if we get a closure here on the hourly, it's going to be at 1766. So we might get like a respect of the 30 on the 30, and then we might get a respect of the hourly on the hourly. And then by the hourly, it'll come back down here. Once we do that, once we're below here on the hourly or below here on the 30, we'll we'll take our shorts. And there's a lot of potential here because look at the daily. The daily flips, and we're gonna. But let's see. At least to fill this wick, and maybe with momentum go down here. How many pips is that? Yeah, maybe 80 pips here. Ike, what's the deal? What up? Yeah, fake out or onion looking good here at 9:30. It's well, I mean, we'll see what happens. Yeah, we're only doing gold. I mean, I can look at GJ, but I'm not touching it. Holy shit, GJ looking like a football field. Ah, we on the 50. Is that hot? Is that hot? Get some music in here. Let's get. Okay, let's see if this is any good. Player one. What's good? Yo, I don't know why I got GJ on. I see what you guys are trying to look at on GJ, but that's not me today. GJ closed. We are on the daily. We closed bullish daily. Above. Wait, I gotta get rid of all these lines. Yo, chat. How do I clear chart? I don't use trading you. Who knows? How do I clear chart on trading you instead of deleting every line? I mean, fuck it. It doesn't matter now. I deleted everything. So, GJ, the daily closed bullish and it closed above this little level right here. So you'd expect this daily to kind of make this bottom wick and flip, and if it flips, oh yeah, if it comes back bullish up above here for a fake out, look at this on the hourly. Uh, if it comes back up, I will be bullish, but for now you might have a range 2 breakout, so range 1. Um, yeah, I guess this can be a range 2. Yeah, this isn't looking bad for range 2 for sells right now to come down, but I'm just not interested in GJ's. This is range 2. This is solid. If you guys are looking for positions here, yeah, I would look. Yeah, this is nice. Um, Probably down to here because you have a range 2 breakout happening right now, right? You had your range 1, range 2 here. You close below. So chances of this driving down are pretty decent. Maybe this is a pullback for the daily candle, but I would expect this to come down to 162, 300. Left side, right? Oh, trash. Is that what it is? Remove to draw. Okay. All right, let's go back to gold because see, I think by the end of the session, GJ will come down here and like we said, 161, 300. But once it's got to break this wick here, so your sells should be. Well, let me. This wick is only 4 pips. Yeah, I would have my sell stops at 162.5 here, below that previous candle, with uh with current candle stops. Like if you were taking the flip, I would take the previous candle stop. But since the better entry here is the break, you could do current candle stops with the break. It'll make most sense. Um, but not interested because honestly, I would be more interested in buys on GJ, and I just don't want to trade GJ till the AM New York session. Left side, the trash, right? The trash can on the left side. Yo, people hear the music or is it just me? Shit better be copyright free. I'm the only one in the Discord trading channel. What are you doing? All right, come on, bunny. Let's go. Move up. Move it. Move it. Move it. That previous hourly closed with no top wick here, so maybe we'll just reject, drive down, and get a closure below 1761. Try to take this down to. Ah, everything's bare here. All our previous time frames are all bare. I mean, the higher time frames, the daily, the 4 hour, no, the hourly, close without a top wick. So we're seeing signs that there's not much bullish momentum. What I really want to happen here is exactly what happened here. Oh, these fucking squares, yo. What can I use? Arrow, maybe. I don't know. Is there a drawing tool? Uh, Wee. uh, all right, let's see. Highlighter. Kids are begging me to watch Stranger Things right now. I'm like, nah, this is Asian session. What you mean? Wow, I'm glad people are hopping on here, but only 25. 25 real ones. You don't hear no music? Stop. I'm playing music over here and you don't hear it? Hold on. I'm vibing by myself. Oh, maybe that's why. Hold on. Why my desktop audio not working? Sources. Add. Okay. Wait, that's the wrong thing. We're gonna figure this out. Oh, you guys hear that? Anybody? We got music or no? Right now. Any music? Alright, good. I've been vibing the whole time. Oh, TD's here. TD, meet TD76. TD76 and meet TD. That's funny. It's the rarest name ever, and there's two of you. It's crazy. What's up, bro? I just bought the chorus an hour ago. Good luck tonight. I'm gonna let Don know Dustin's in there. 76 the OG, yeah. Yo, I'm ready tonight. I got myself some. I don't even know what that is. Barely knows. Just got it, and the shit's like half empty already. GJ buys above 162876 is lit for fake out. Yeah, is that what you wanted to see? Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, I just figured we closed below range here for a range 2 breakout. I think we're gonna drive down. It's more likely that it drives down here and fills this range down. But on gold, wait, hold on, I should write what we're looking for on gold. She gon' slide right to my side. I know she pulled up with her friends. Then we skirt off in the Benz. Oh, took her back to my crib, and I regret it. Took her back. Took her back. But she gon' slide. Took her back. Took her back.
Kept the gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me. And you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-side. No, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby.
Yeah, I prefer the flower too. I do. I'd rather smoke the flower. It's a different type of high. I like the actual flower, but it's still I just don't feel like getting up and roll right now. I will in a minute.
Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show.
Yo, this shit said copyright free. This is not copyright free. All good though. You guys know what we're waiting for? Nothing I can do for you. Chill out, relax, wait. The billionth. Nope. No, what? You don't know what we're waiting for? Broke it down earlier. Rewind. And there goes DJ as expected. We said it earlier. We're going to expect this to fill this whole range down. If you're in there on the break of the previous hourly, was it? Yeah, the previous hourly. If you got in there, it's pretty solid. You got the last 30 of the 4 hour coming up here, so good luck. Need to take a trim to ya. Whoa. What's that? Yo, Looper, what's going on? But I need you to. What's up, man? I need you to mute. Hold on. Can anybody hear Looper on YouTube? Yo, say Looper. Say something. Say what up.
What up? What up?
You guys hear him?
Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Once they.
6.
Oh yeah, with static. That's how I hear you. Yeah. Can you get rid of static and then unmute yourself? But good, they hear you. Thank you for participating in my is chat deaf experiment. Bad connection. But yeah, the trading channel, the trading voice channel is open. So if anyone wants to hop on the trading voice channel on our Devious server, you guys are more than welcome to. Little pop-up stream we got going on. I didn't announce it. It's not posted nowhere. So If you're on, you're on. No, I'm not taking DJ. Oh, who's taking DJ? I don't know who is, but I'm not. We broke it down. It should drive down, but we're not taking it. Hey, okay. Okay. I smell that shit from Citron.
Today, the liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. Boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the bills or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in stock, home. It's me, the Owls, and the twins. It's only the real. I'm moving way too humble. Easy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, 1,000,000 in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, hey. Yeah, but I can think of any reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen.
Let's see.
Hold on, fuck that.
It's a weird position to be in GJ. Asian. It's probably a daily pullback to go back bull, but for now, we are bearish. This daily candle here closed really nicely above all this. It's a little gladiator candle right here. Yesterday's daily. But it's probably not gonna happen now. And now it's solidly on a range 2 breakout driving down. Yeah, it should be down here by the end of the 4 hour. Be surprised if it's not. Okay, this is good. Coming up. Let's get to our resistance. Targer? What the hell is a Targer? Nobody told me I messed up on that one. What the fuck is a Targer? GJ pushing? I mean, we broke it down. It's not really pushing, it's barely moved. But like, we broke this down on the hourly. We had the range 2 breakout here, and we closed below. It's just we're not touching GJ tonight, only gold. Oh, say what? Ancient Aliens is on. What? Oh no, it's not. Live. Okay. you saying for gold, Dustin? This is our gold right now. That's what we're looking at.
She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna.
I got these candles, and I've been waiting to burn them bitches. Yankee Candle for the W, tropical star fruit. Pretend cause I'm too good, drink too strong, I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I too good, drink too strong, I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you wanna, girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl, girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl, girl, I know you wanna. Yeah. She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Keep giving me look.
I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without?
By the way, we also got charts for stream open, so if you got charts, you can drop them in charts for stream. Break them down. Other than that, we just waiting on this 4-hour to close. Let's get a 4-hour close. Just fucking massively full here. Last 4 hours. What the fuck?
Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference. Oh. She wanna run me out of the
Feel better if this closed with no top wick here. We're waiting. We got 20 minutes on the hourly close, so I guess we can move our zone down to the hourly for now. Let's see what it respects here. Once we're going to look for the 30 close, then we'll move it up if it's going to be relevant. But if we hold the hourly, we're going to wait for a 30 bearish closure here, and then look for a position. So honestly, our only possible position here is probably going to come around 9:30, depending on how we close here. And I'd love a fake out here. I'd love a closure above here on the 30, and then a closure below on the 30, and take ourselves. But we can dictate nothing here. We do not dictate any part of the market. We'll only react. So, say I think, I hope. None of it really matters until it actually is. So when it does happen, then we can discuss concrete plans about what we're about to do. Right now, let's just let the market set up in our favor. And if it does, we'll take advantage of it. If it doesn't, then see you guys in the AM.
come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
Let's eat pips. That's funny. My girl just walked in. She's like, "You want lasagna? Like it come with pips?" I said, "Sure." And now someone suggested, "Let's eat pips." Freddy, you read my fucking mind. Let's eat some pips. But it's Asian. We take what it gives. The goal here literally is the next 1 hour candle. By 10, I want to be somewhere in this area. It's like Drake at half speed. I think it's that time, huh? Roll, Jay. Waiting anyway. Last 15 of the 4 hour coming up. Be patient.
Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed phones on the team. Remember when you left me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one to see my type. Now my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Yellow red credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this runway. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I'm busy. Windy city, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Yo, this mean work hard, dude. Got gold in the middle, 15 pips. Sure.
Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like, Father, forgive me. These are all my confessions, man. This wasn't luck, it was destined. I done lost homies who been with me since 8.
I need my partner in crime here. I need the homie Don here. Some bullshit a little.
Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want, man. This what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the brightest, the feet not divided, the love is divided, and I just got it. Thank God that we got it. Bless. I don't know what I would do without a crew. Look like we robbed the bank, but all we make is deposits. Your profit will profit, oh God. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up.
Homo, anyone? See what DJ never came down.
I feel blessed.
That's why we don't trade GJ in Asian.
I feel blessed. Straight up. Way up.
But
I ain't gonna say that we back or nothing, cause that implies that we're back from something. If we're back from something, it's
yeah.
a sexual or I expect that payment.
Just wait. Characteristic of wisdom to not do desperate things. Right? So let's just be wise, not be desperate. Kick back, relax. Sit back, relax, and take notes as I take tokes of this marijuana smoke. He's the wise, Sir Notorious, yeah, as he said.
Be quiet, I'm doing a toast. For niggas that don't really do shit, I swear I be doing the most. Stop worrying about whoever's next. I am just worried about my mama worrying less. I think I'm famous enough. I don't need any more press. I am convinced I'm the only one left that's still doing this shit, man. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed.
If the 930 candle closes below the range like perfect fake out setup, do you wait for a top wick on the current candle before placing saw stop? Yes, and we're going to need that top wick to be somewhere around these wicks, like right here. See how, oh wait, you don't see it, like right here. See this candle? We're looking to mirror this move. I want this to happen again. I want this, oh, the resistance again. Same thing. That's, hold on, my kids are calling me.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, they died. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
So yeah, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by a 3-year-old. I gotta get better at this. Circle, maybe this is better. So, yeah. So, whatever happened right here. See, closure above. Closure above, and then below. So we want to mirror this. Hey, stop moving. The same thing we want to happen. And on the hourly, we want it to look like this as well. So if it looks like this by 9:30, we're gonna gonna take those sells.
outside in an AMG.
Just asking because I saw a fake out setup, but waiting for a top wick. But before I place sell stuff, unfortunately, it drove 60 pips down without me. Yeah, it happens. If it drives, right? We say that all the time. Unfortunately, in that case, it drove. But that's like you would be really uncomfortable in that trade most of the time because most of the time it won't drive. So you want to do it. You know, you want to speak for the majority. So the majority of the time, it's not what happens. The majority of the time, you want to. I mean, you want to do what happens the majority of the time if you want to be profitable and take wins. Wait for a top wick in order for you to drive. It means to grab liquidity. You're going to have a lot more confidence in that trade driving. Seven minutes.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Boom.
Poetic justice.
Looks nice and clean, this chart. Let us do it together, bro. Got 2 p.m. gold FOMC 40 pips. Fire. Anyone else did 40 FOMC today? I think that was just minutes, right? It wasn't the after FOMC. Let's see.
I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you come.
Yeah, meeting minutes.
You called up your girlfriends and your girl did that little bitty
Tomorrow we got
She wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach your
$830 Philly Fed manufacturing index. So tomorrow 8:30 and 10 a.m. we got folders. I mean, hopefully we'll be done by 10, but might be a 9 a.m. trade tomorrow. Circle at it. All right. There goes GJ. Last few minutes. As we said, by the end of the 4 hour, we expected it to be right here, right? At somewhere at 162.3.
I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart. I gave you my
What did it
soul.
give you? Gave you 8 pips on the break of the low. 11 if you took the flip. I mean, if you took the flip and previous candle stops, would have been 30 pip stop. For a 30 pip TP. Got 2 minutes. 2.5 minutes. 2 minutes. Dos.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room.
As you do. No DJ Asia for now.
Something else you had on
My friend.
back when we were in school.
Yes. No DJ Asia.
Growing up, I was a fool. And I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. Think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I will create a heart-changing love. I'll take your name, lead us. But I don't need a lot of wishes, 'cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we could be best friends. Love will never end. It could just begin. If I had one wish, you would be my boo. Promise to love you. Trust me, I'll trust you. If I had one wish, we could run away. Make love all day. Have us a baby. If I had one wish, I'd make you my whole life. Can you get my vibe? Make it right this time.
It's Asian, y'all. What are we gonna do? Gotta kick it here for a while. No guarantee we get a trade. Chances of us getting a trade are much less than it is in New York. And NY in the North American session, morning session for us. But we do great. If we don't, it's also great. Kicked it here for a while. One wish. If I had one wish, it would be if I had one superpower, what would it be, chat? It would be to make money. Make money. What do we got? There we go. We just closed on the 4 hour. Closed out on the 4. It's on the
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let no, I don't know why you love me. You couldn't get
I just had some. Yo, I just had some banging lasagna. It's delicious. I haven't had lasagna in ages. Girl just made some homemade. Look at that. 20-minute microwave. Just need a bearish closure. There's a 30 level here, and last time we closed respecting this resistance. Look, it came up, and then we closed once we had a bearish closure here on the 30. Came down. kind of sucks. This 4 hour closed bull, but it closed bull respecting. And this new candle opened up with no bottom wick. But you know what? We also see this all the time when we have one candle really bull, open up with no wick and leave a wick on its closing for a range. The very next candle will open up the same way. Also no bottom wick because a lot of momentum, lots of bullish momentum. See that? We opened up with no wick and left a wick for the next candle, left some range here. And then the very next candle also right away opened up no wick and just drove. We don't take advantage of these situations because it's like, I don't think it's a high probability play, but we see this all the time. It's just if it starts setting up by 10, I'm gonna hop off by 10 and just let it set up for London, and maybe we'll take something in London.
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I also promised my kids I'm gonna watch an episode of Stranger Things with them today, and it's school night. It's 9 p.m., so I'm about to just turn it on right in this room and watch it while we're on here. What do you smoke, bro? I smoke Amnesia from the Netherlands. Brain dead instant. Haha. LOL. What are you doing? I don't smoke Amnesia. I might get Amnesia, but I don't smoke it. You give me some shit called Amnesia or Deaf? Like, I want to remember shit. Don't give me nothing called Amnesia. Give me something called fun as shit or something. I don't know. Amnesia Haze, bro, the best. Alright. There's too many of you kids. Too many. Go, go. Yo, they wildin' in this room right now because I'm letting them. So they decided to run in here and go crazy. Hold on a second. Yeah, they're having a crazy time. I just had to tell them who's boss. Smoke minor. No, you know what I smoke? I have some Northerns. Somebody dropped like a pound of Northerns on me, so smoking that right now. It's great for when I wanna just kick back, relax. Edibles? Is that what the cookie's for? Chocolate chip cookie? I got these 50 milligram caramels. That's what they are. They're delicious. Get the kids to do Wordle? Nah, stop playing. Because then they're gonna be coming over onto the stream all the time going, Pops, it's Wordle time. Wordle time. The older ones already like, Dad, teach me how to do streaming and how to do the OBS so I can stream Apex. I'm like,
ain't the only thing that hurt us. We really are supposed to serve a purpose. Look, smoke in the mirror, I can't see. I just been looking for saline solutions and ways these days. Look, lay your head down on me, baby. Coconut oil on my gray tea, but it's cool, you know, 'cause it's you. Where I'm from, bro, all we know we get bread, pull up, niggas show me. Running up the check like some fucking Roshis. Ain't about to check, nigga, don't approach me.
I know bottom wick here. We flip.
The cops all Casper slide on full. Clap, clap, then cha-cha real smooth. If they PR on the news, let me stop. Hop in the booth and eject the top. Fly in the boot bomb, found a pop. Ratchet and righteous, we all we got. Shout out my mama, she never judged me. Even told me I'm cute when I know I'm ugly. Shout the ones who I know only God control me. Smoking nowadays, I always need 3 to hold me. Fight the sun, the holy smoke, the cool mama. I found me a bomb, that Nova Scotia blue mama. The father, the son, the holy smoke, the cool mama. I found me a bomb, that Nova Scotia blue mama. The father, the son, the holy smoke, the cool mama. I found me a bomb, that Nova Scotia blue mama.
Nova Scotia blue.
The holy smoke, the cool
We mean something from the market and you had left nothing for us. Smoke miner, yeah. I got you. GJ broke previous 1 hour high, rip.
I've been on top for a while.
Still respecting, it's still respecting this area.
I'm a visionary. I got
Yeah. Still respecting that whole area. Maybe it's top wick. You might get a wick special here with the next hourly, but I don't know. I honestly it's better on GJ. It's just better to wait for London and instead of letting the yen push it, just let the pound push. Because the yen is in itself a very stable currency. That's why there's not much movement during Asian on GG, because it's a very stable currency and that's market that's open, the yen, Asian market. Right? In London and through New York before London closed, it's the pound that's moving the pair. Right now the pound is steady and quiet because it's not being moved, the yen is being moved.
I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Exciting new Maybach coupe, peanut butter jelly. Slide in the road, slide in the lamp, slide in the beam. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Mud, see me on mud. Niggas talk shit, but they never ever knew us. I've been on top for a while.
Yo, Ike, what are you doing? You rolling around in the Tesla? How about a highway blunt? Let's go, highway blunt on the belt. Let's hit the belt. Come pick me up. We can hit the BQE. Leave your Tesla with no rims. With all the potholes. I know. Told them to leave, told them out. Everybody out. Not at this time, just smoke. Getting ready to do it all again tomorrow. Meet you at Knapp Street by the oh man. You know how many L's I rolled in the it used to be called the Golden Gate, the hotel right there, right? On Knapp Street by the movie theater. Used to be a Golden Gate motel, right? Outside that movie theater. I think they tore it down. They're working on the BQ. Yo, they've been working on the Belt Parkway. The belt's been getting fixed in Brooklyn since like the 90s. And I swear for 20 years it would be like a new section and it'd take them 10 years to get to the end of it. And on year 11 they'd be at the beginning again. They fix it just good enough. So just so you know, by the time they're done with another part, this one's broken down again and they got work. motel is still there. It's a shelter now. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, the bagel place across the street was fire too. I used to go in there and just get a whole bunch of munchies and then go watch the movie. Sneak all it in, all of it. Word. Be like the beaker, you never stop working. Never stop. Just fucking. It's a mafia, yo. Always have a job for themselves. Smoke at the beach all the time, BK. Where? Brighton 15? Manhattan Beach? Where you smoke? Coney Island Beach? Jones Beach? A lot of beaches. Gold, huge wick, previous candle will be fill possible. I got 15 pips from the root of this push. But this bullish moment just start and unstable. I mean, we're bearish on the daily. And I was looking for a daily flip and also we were looking on the for a fake out here on the smaller time frames. One beach at the end of the, oh man, I know that beach. I used to go there when I was in high school. No, I'm like, yeah, in high school. Like late 90s, early 2000s, I used to go hang out over there. It was abandoned. They didn't have none of that like nice little bicycle road that they got right now. Oh, Rest Stop Beach right off the belt when you pass the theater. It was just Rest Stop Beach. Used to go there and I make bonfires. Yeah, we used to make bonfires as well. It was a long time ago. I was more than 20 years ago. People windsurf there right now. Last time I was in Brooklyn, people were windsurfing there. It's nice to know that people somewhere on the other end of the world have experienced something in the same spot that I've experienced when I was there 20 years ago. Pretty dope. Separated by time and space. Damn. That was some good weed. I'm talking 96, 99. Yeah, I'm talking like 95 to 2000. Yeah, that's the same time period. Yeah. Oh shit. We might have known each other. It's meant to be. Netflix. I heard you talk about Limp Bizkit earlier today. Yeah. Saw them at Roseland Ballroom with 311. I saw 311 a bunch of times. They were great. Not with no Limp Bizkit. You know who I saw at Roseland Ballroom? Tiesto. In like 2003. Oh no, I'm lying. That was the Hammerstein Ballroom. I don't know. Some ballroom. Gold bearish, agree, but during news it fails to break the low from daily. Yeah, it did. But because we're approaching today, based on the previous and with a bearish bias, right? We're gonna look for some bearish closures, come back down. It's just right. I don't know. We already came down, right? Came down, came back up, created a range here. On the hourly, came down, came back up. So right now we're just playing in this range. As soon as we get a closure below it, or for buys, honestly, in the London session, you could probably look for, because if the buys do play out, it's probably going to close above, close below, play around here. And for London session, you really want a bearish closure above here, and then a break of that bearish closure to go up, a bullish break of that bearish closure. That would be your range 2 breakouts to come back up. Because otherwise, your range 2 would be, for range 2. So if we end up driving straight up, your range 2 would be over here. Right, so buys would be above this area, unless you get a bearish closer somewhere in here, and then you can take buys up to here and even higher. But until then, we got sells below here. All right, brother, gonna sign off. Hope to catch you at London and New York session. Mañana. Yes, hasta mañana. Hasta la pasta. Right, that's some corny shit. Hasta la pasta. I can't believe I just said that shit. That's some parent shit, right? That's when you know you're turning into your parents. Hasta la pasta. Like, yo, if I was a little kid and heard that, I would be like, man, shut the fuck up. My daughter's probably, Dad, don't say that shit no more. Yo. Yo. Hey, yo. What's up? MM fucking lost his fucking talent. He has a speech impediment now because he's not sure if we're fucking live or he caught a he caught a replay. Yo. See you later, Ike. And you know what? 9:30, I might be hopping off because I don't think we're gonna get anything before 10. And this 4 hours, just this 4-hour closed bull, and this 4 hour just go straight up, straight up. I think we might on the 4 hour might even come back up here. So it might cut the stream at 9:30, guys. Sir buyer, sir sell, I know what you meant, Ayo and what? I know you forgot how to speak when you realized there's an Asian stream running. You able to open charts from TradingView? No, but if you send me a chart on the Discord server, I can actually pull it up. Nice. Coming back for Lund? Oh, I thought you said loud. See you, gang. Yeah, I'd come back for the loud too. Yeah, so drop them in the Discord server. I'll pull it up. Let me know when you drop it. What we got in the Discord? Discord, it's just me by my lonely. I do this one up by my lonely. Send link, dude, please. Our Discord server. I don't know. Go to Discord, find Devious. Why are you not in our Discord, Forex Spider? You've been coming to the streams for at least a year. I remember when you used to, where we couldn't read what you were saying. You were just posting a whole bunch of emojis, spider webs and spiders and fires. Figured out how to not do that, right? You figured out how to type. And it's not in caps no more. And you're speaking better English. I know you're not, right? You're not. That's not your first language, but like, not much better. You can figure out the Discord. I believe in you. Sir Fires herself. What did GJ end up doing? Range 2 breakout. Should have came down. Might come down now. Yo, if you enjoyed the fact that we had an Asian stream running today, just drop a like, sub, and if I see that it's working, if I see people enjoying it, then you know what, we're gonna do this more often, maybe a couple times a week. People like it. I'm getting a good response. I'll do it more often. Because for now, really, I don't need this, and a lot of you guys don't need this either. A lot of it is just sitting here waiting. Like, I think maybe I'll check what the daily's looking like, and if we're getting something, you know, some potential on the daily closure, maybe by 7 p.m. or by 8 p.m. I'll hop on, and we'll do like an 8 to 10 or 8 to 9:30. More often, but I'd love to see some decent daily closures before just doing the stream, because otherwise, if there's no potential, there's no point of sitting here and wasting your time, my time, and just, you know, just wasting an evening. It's always cool to wait with someone talking. Yeah, I know. I'm down to kick it and bullshit and smoke them. You guys can hop on and talk. I'm down with everybody just, you know, coming on, introducing themselves, sharing their opinions, sharing what they see. We can have discussions, but I don't want it to be a waste of time. I want the shit to be valuable, you know. Value is it's easily to see value and appreciate it, and if it's appreciated, it's easy to share it. Napstone, what it do, Wix? What it do? Same shit, different toilet seat. You know what? It's actually more fun waiting with a stream than doing it alone. Yeah, you guys are doing it alone. It's a very individualized activity. But yeah, we can make the best of it. Just patience. Don't be impulsive. Kick it here. We are from Boston, and Maine. English not my first language. 20 English in this small land. Oh, all right. Well, maybe I made a mistake. Boston. You're from Boston. Go Yankees. Okay. Patriots. Huh? Brady or Belichick? Yeah, I really wanted it to close there. I think by 10 a.m. we're going to be bullish. We're going to be here. So yeah, if we're bullish above here by 10, I'm not gonna look for a fake out for 11. It's just not. There's gonna be no volume at that time. Typically what it'll do is it'll range around the support or resistance. Maybe some amateurs out, take some new traders out, take a lot of inexperience. They'll take a lot of inexperienced traders out in these zones. People who are thinking it's going to drive from 11 a.m. till 12, or from 10 till midnight. If you're thinking that it's just going to have massive volume and drive, chances are it's not likely, you know. So there's no point in just kicking it and hoping, hey, drive. No, we're getting a closure above here on the hourly, and even if it does respect on the hourly, we're going to need a bearish closure on the hourly. That's going to be 11 a.m. So honestly, in a couple of minutes, we'll call it. Let's see on the 30. See on the 30, even though this is the resistance, we're still not touching it. And even if the next 30 comes back down and closes bear, that's going to be the hourly closing. I wanted this 30 really to close bear right here, and we could just taken this down, but that's not the case. And if by the time we get what we want, it's not the time. So I think I'm gonna call it. Thank you guys for coming and kicking it with me for the last hour and a half. We'll go watch some Stranger Things. Please drop a like, subscribe, and maybe we'll do more of these. If I were you guys, as this is breaking up, I would wait for London for some decent, really good volume to fill some. I mean, there's room to move in both directions, all right? So just wait for London, be patient, and I'm gonna see you guys on stream tomorrow in the morning. All right. Yep. Hit the like. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you for coming out, show some support. Real One Zone here. Jeremiah Hibbos. Hasta la pasta. You're welcome. See you guys tomorrow.